All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Eddie. From what part of Southern California you coming from, buddy?
West Covina, California.
West Covina. All right,
Yes,
we
sir.
just went through like 3 days of torture in the heat, but we're learning faux rock. What would you say was your favorite part, or anything about the course? What do you think?
To be honest with you, I enjoyed every bit of the course. My favorite part of the course really was the rebar bending a little. Because my son seemed to be enjoying. My son was
he had
part
so
of
much
it,
fun.
and he had a blast. He had a blast bending and shaping and getting it to where he thought it actually would shape up as a rock.
Yeah.
But from the get-go, you know, from the forming, from the concepts to the actual application of the mortars and cements, every step of the process seemed to be just something like a wow. Like, oh, okay, wow. You know, I didn't understand that until now. And so everything ended up coming together, whether it be, you know, obviously the forming, the cement placement, the actual accents, the cracks that you add, everything, and finally up to the paint.
Yeah.
You know, and the pigments. So
It was a long 3 days, but it takes a long time to cover it. Yeah.
And
We
you
did
know
it.
what? And it's amazing how much we packed in, really.
Yeah, we
Because
did.
it really is amazing. And at the end of the day, you're like, wow, you know, cool. And then it's just you're pooped out because you know you do it so much, but you know it doesn't feel that at the time.
Yeah.
You know, it feels like that at the end, but not while you're doing it.
It's a good pain.
Yeah,
a good burn.
It's
We got to work out, but
great
it was
pain, yeah,
we did a lot of stuff.
Yeah, and so you know, to me, it's a blessing being up here and enjoying this with a master of rock, and so for me, it was really a blessing.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Well, that is great. Eddie is awesome. His son Andrew, where are you? Say hi. Hey, that's Andrew. He's an artist, total artist, dude, going crazy.
Absolutely. So thank you, Dave, and I appreciate it. I can't wait for the second. So you know what? I love to bring my daughter up here to do it.
Oh, that's wild. That's so cool. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you. God bless you, brother.
Likewise.
All right.
Take care,
Until
brother.
next time.
You guys got to do it.
All right.